Alright, hello. We're back here again at this stage. Not because of the springs this time, and not because of the D-bushes they're new fitted, but because of the shock absorber. I did the other one yesterday. I'm doing this the same day. I just changed the coolant, but I thought I might as well make these two separate videos. And that drop link there, I'll be changing. This one was a right sort. In the end, I didn't actually need a angle grinder or a hacksaw for the other one. I just needed a spanner. But now I notice on this one, oh no, it's just a washer. Looks like a springlet, doesn't it? But it's just the rubber washer underneath and the metal one on top. That it should be. I've taken the bolt out at the top, so it should be loose at the top, so I can wiggle it about. I just need to get an 18mm spanner on that top one, and then hopefully the nut will come off. It's see solid on the other one. This one doesn't look as rusty. In fact, it looks a bit more oily, so that might hopefully lubricate the nut off. But annoyingly, I can't remember if I went over this in a previous video. Two of the shock absorbers that they've sent, I think it's the front ones, the plastic sleeve that goes over them, they're all cracked on both this one and that. And I'm going away at the weekend, so I don't know what to do. Whether I've asked them, the seller, if I should just glue the tops for the time being, and then if you'll be agreeable, send them back after after I've done my trip, which I doubt you'll agree to. These ones are alright, nice and solid, but they're the real ones. So incidentally, actually, I don't know if anybody knows in the comments section who owns a P38. These seem to be like a one-way resistance shock absorber. So pulling them out is really hard, but pushing them back in again is extremely easy. And I was a bit worried because the old one I took out, that was very firm both ways. And so either these are the correct ones, and the reason the ride has been quite poor in this car is because of two cats fighting over there. The ride has been quite poor because of the extra firm shock absorbers that have already been in. I'm not entirely sure. I've asked a few people online, but they're not entirely sure either, and I don't even think the seller's sure. So we'll see what the deal is with that. But yeah, that hose thing for the little cupboard, it makes its own little container for all the parts and that you'll need to refill the coolant on your engine. Handy little thing. So I covered that in the other video. But yeah, I'm going off track. If anyone can put any comments in the bottom section below about these shock absorbers, whether they're supposed to be an easy return, easy to compress but hard to pull out. I suppose with them being airbags and you've got the ride height sensors as well, I don't know. I don't know. But anyway, thanks for watching. Ciao for now.